Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Synthesia to create high-converting ads. Yeah, if you want to make professional promotional videos without filming yourself, this approach is perfect because, honestly, ad quality and clarity are crucial for driving clicks and sales. So first, sign up or log in to your Synthesia account. Click Create Video and select an AI presenter. You can customize their voice, appearance, and language to match your brand and target audience, which instantly makes your ad more professional. Next, prepare your ad script carefully. Yeah, concise, persuasive text works best, and Synthesia will automatically convert it into natural. After that, select a template and background. You can use branded visuals, stock images, or slides to make your ad visually appealing and eye-catching for viewers scrolling through social media or websites. Add captions, scene transitions, and animations. Small enhancements help communicate your message clearly and keep your audience engaged. Preview your video before finalizing. So render and download it in high quality, ready to publish across platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook for maximum impact. Finally,
Hey everyone, in this video,
experiment with different AI voices, presenters, and visuals. Most of the time, using Synthesia for ads allows creators to produce professional, attention-grabbing videos quickly, boosting conversions without needing a camera. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.